Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the drafting, let's spend some time in analyzing the drawing and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be to draw this lower rectangle which is of 75 units by 50 units in the top view. After we have drawn the lower rectangle, then we'll draw this rectangle which is of 25 units by 12 units and move that rectangle to the center point of this edge. Then we'll go into the southwest isometric view and using the press pull feature of AutoCAD, we'll pull this face upwards to a distance of 12 units. Now we have to draw this profile. So the first thing we'll do is we'll change using the coordinates, we'll change it to the front view and we'll draw first using the P line command, this line, and the distance should be 75 units minus 20 units. So this line should be 55 units, then upwards 25 units, then left 20 units and join it with this point. Then we'll move that profile to the edge of the rectangle and then extrude it by 25 units. Then we'll select both these objects and using the union feature of AutoCAD, we'll combine it into one unit. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So we come into a new drawing and we use the rectangle command of AutoCAD and we click over here and give the lower dimension as 75 units. Press tab and this is 50 units and hit enter. So this is our base rectangle which is of, you can see, 75 units by 50 units. Now we have to draw this rectangle and it is 25 units by 12 units. So we'll come into our drawing and anywhere inside we'll draw a rectangle and we'll give 25 units, press tab, 12 units, hit enter. Now we'll move this rectangle to the center of this edge. So we select move, we click on the object to move this, we click on the midpoint of this edge and click on the midpoint of this edge. Then we click on the home icon and this takes us into the southwest isometric view. Now we'll click on 2D wireframe and make it shaded with edges. Then we'll use the press pull feature of AutoCAD and click on this face and move it upward to a thickness of 12 units and hit enter. If you come here, you can see it has a thickness of 12 units. Now this extra line is there, we want to erase it. So we'll click on this extra line and we'll press delete to delete that extra line. Now we want to make this upper structure. So first thing which we'll do is we'll click on coordinates and here we'll change it to the front view and we'll turn the grid on so you come to know that you are in the front view. Then we use the P line feature of AutoCAD and we draw one line anywhere on the drawing board, turn the ortho on and give this distance as 55, this distance, upper distance as 25, left as 20, turn the ortho off and join it with this point. So press enter. So this profile is ready. Now we'll move this to this edge of the rectangle. So we type move We click on the object, we press enter, we click on this end, and then we can type end and click on this end. Now we'll extrude it by 25 units. So we type extrude, click on the object to extrude, hit enter, and we give the thickness as 25 units. Now you can turn the grid off by pressing F7, and now you can use the union command of AutoCAD and combine both these entities into one. Then you can use the orbit tool and just orbit your image and see how your model is looking. So friends, in this tutorial, we have seen how to prepare this beautiful geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.